In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Wrike tasks to Microsoft Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live two-way connection between your Wrike projects and an Excel spreadsheet, so updates in one place automatically show up in the other. First, open your Wrike Workspace and navigate to the space or folder where you manage the tasks you want to sync. Make sure you're looking at the work area you actually care about, because this is what you'll eventually connect to Excel. At the top or side of your Wrike interface, look for the Apps and Integrations option. Go ahead and click that. This is Wrike's main hub for connecting your account to other tools, and it's where we'll find the Excel integration. In the Integrations gallery that opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search field and type the word highlight, just like you see it. This helps surface the recommended integration we want. After the results load, look for the option called Excel via Wrike Sync. Click on that integration. You should now see more details about connecting Microsoft Excel spreadsheets to Wrike projects with live two-way updates using Wrike Sync, which is powered by Unito. Click on this description to move into the setup flow. Next, look for a Settings button for this integration and click on Settings. This will take you into the configuration area for Wrike Sync inside your Wrike account. From there, find and click on the Wrike Sync option. This opens the main panel where you'll authorize and manage the sync. You'll see a prompt to authorize Wrike. Click on Authorize Wrike so the integration can access your projects and tasks. A new window will appear asking for permission. Review the access details, then click Accept. This confirms that Wrike Sync is allowed to work with your Wrike data. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation screen from the Unito side of things. Click on Got it to continue. You'll then be brought back into the sync settings inside Wrike. Look for a highlighted section or button related to connecting your Excel account and click on that highlight area. Now select Connect Account to link your Microsoft Excel, which usually means connecting your Microsoft 365 or Outlook account. You'll be redirected to a Microsoft Permissions page. Here, confirm that you're using the correct account. Then click Accept to grant access. After Microsoft confirms the connection, you'll see another success message. Click on Got it one last time. At this point, Wrike and Excel are connected through Wrike Sync. From here, you can configure which projects, folders, or fields you want to sync, and your tasks will start flowing between Wrike and your Excel spreadsheets with live two-way updates.